Keep your hands off of him. Hey, no, direct order for what? For what?
She just hit me right
Yeah,
here.
right. I got it on camera too. And we're getting your body camera too.
Absolutely.
Yeah, 100%. Give me your card.
Get out of my face.
No,
No.
you pushed me. What the f?
Get
You
the
hit
out of
me,
here.
ma'am. Supervisor.
Now, yeah, I need your supervisor. Perfect. Perfect. Can't wait for it.
You have to have a reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime had been committed.
Matches the description of campers that
What's
get
the
stolen
description
from
of the vehicle?
We have a white Dodge truck.
There's a lot of white Dodge trucks.
That's very accurate. So you're here. We're getting a call from security who manages Z-Max.
Okay.
Your truck matches the description of the truck that is used to steal campers. All right, well, hold on. I'll get a lieutenant out here, and we'll either determine if you're going to jail or not because you're failing.
Why
to give
would,
me
wait,
ID.
hold on. Why would I go to jail for a conversation?
Because you're not giving me your
Okay,
identification.
Sergeant, Miss Collins, let me tell you the problem with policing. You guys are so quick to throw people in jail. I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, hold on. Hold on here. Keep your f***ing hands off of him, lady. Keep your hands off of him. Hey, hey.
The situation kicked off with a heated argument between an officer and an auditor. The auditor was simply filming a patrol car, well within his rights, when the officer started giving him a hard time, and things quickly escalated. Luckily, another auditor was there to back him up, and the confrontation spiraled out of control almost instantly.
Calm down.
Let me go ahead and get that car. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, that's
I told you
assault.
I was gonna get
That's
you the
assault.
car. It is not assault.
That is
I gave you a
assault.
direct order and you
No,
didn't fucking
direct
follow
order
it.
for what? For what?
She just hit me right
Yeah,
here.
right. I got it on camera too. And we're getting your f***ing body camera too.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
It's
100%.
available.
Give me your card.
It's available.
Give me
Once
your
you back
card.
up, I'll get you
I
my
said,
card.
are you asking me? And I said I would do it.
You ain't gonna
You
do that
didn't
here.
get a direct order.
No, there's no
I
direct
told you
order.
to get up
He
on
wasn't
the
breaking the law.
What law
Yes.
is that?
What law? What law?
Failing to obey a direct lawful
For
order.
what? That's
has to be a
secondary.
lawful
There has to be
order.
another cause for
There's
that.
no law for that.
No.
I told you to get
No, I can sit on this car if I
fucking law
want
for
to.
that, lady.
Get out of my face.
No,
No.
you pushed me. What the f?
Get
You
the fuck
assaulted
outta
me,
here.
ma'am. Supervisor.
No, yeah, I
They're
need your
already on the way.
supervisor.
They're already
Perfect. Perfect.
on
Can't
the
wait
way.
for
Already
it.
on the way.
Great.
Can't wait for it.
You
You
just put your
now you
hands
just
on
put
me.
your
unlawfully.
Okay,
Right.
you can say it's
Unlawfully.
unlawfully
You
all
can't
want.
tell me to do that.
No.
You can
I
ask
can't
me.
tell you.
I-
Yes,
No,
I
you can
can.
ask.
No,
What
made
You
law?
it
can
sound
ask.
like
What
that.
law,
What
lady?
law is that, lady? You don't even
I
know
can
your
record
laws.
you. I'm allowed to record.
I didn't know you couldn't
Colorado
record.
Revised Statute
The second-
16-3-1.
No.
Okay.
No, you were hot from
You're
before.
The second you walked up, I said you can
Walked
record,
up,
you can
I
do
was
whatever.
here.
And
He
I
was
said,
right
walked up
there.
on
You
me.
walked up to
You
him.
walked up on me. You
Yeah.
walked up
You're right.
on me.
You're right.
You
because
walked
you're right
up
up
on
on
me.
my
So
He
what?
didn't touch me.
So
You
what?
didn't touch me.
I touched you because I
Yeah,
told you to get back and you
look,
did.
Yeah, because you were in your feelings. That's why you did it.
Just say that, okay?
Yeah.
But you don't have to put your hands on me.
No fucking way. That ain't
If I were to
happening
do
here.
that to you, I'd be in fucking handcuffs right
Parties are
now.
refusing
You
to get out of my
assaulted
face, and I
me.
need a supervisor.
How about you back up?
Absolutely you need a supervisor to back away from the car. So there's no law. There's no law on that. I can stand right here. You know what I'm saying? But I said if you ask me, I'll go ahead because she was being rude about it.
What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
I don't give it. I don't give it.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is, I'm sorry. What?
Okay. Okay. If she asks you to step away, if you're interfering,
I'm not
it's-
interfering.
Can I finish? If you're interfering and she asks you to step away, then you just please step away. Okay.
If
There was-
I would never interfere though.
Okay, and I don't
Interfering
know.
is a physical act.
It's not necessary.
Yes, it
It
absolutely
is,
is.
100%.
You might wanna look that
It's
up.
not.
It's not on
It's in the
speech
laws,
alone.
it's in the
Not on
statutes.
speech alone. It has
Okay.
to be interfering. Have to be a physical act. Look it up. Even in the black dog in the black law dictionary, I'm allowed to do what I'm supposed to do.
To a certain
Colorado
extent.
Revised. Hold on.
Okay.
Colorado Revised 16-3-311, which is that I'm allowed to report police.
And I don't have a problem with you recording police.
I
Well,
appreciate that.
she did.
What I'm saying is that I feel that you haven't said anything about her putting her hands on me. I did nothing to. She came up to me actually, and while I was right near the door, I didn't walk up to her. She came up to me, and she hit me. And you can check her body count.
Recording. That's
Okay,
it.
Well, there's a number on the back. I'll give you my card. There's a number on the back if you want to file a compliment or concern.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Ain't no f***ing compliment.
Yeah, there's gonna be concerns for sure.
I'm not filing it. That I was assaulted.
Okay.
I was assaulted. I would like to file charges on her.
Okay. When Aurora comes to take the guy, is he still here?
No, he took the ambulance. He was out.
Okay. So if you'd like to request of our police department to respond, then you can
Do what you
talk
need to
with
do,
Aurora Police.
but
No, you
this
need to do what
person-
you need to do. If you want to, I think
You're
Aurora's coming, right?
you're law enforcement officer, and you're not enforcing the law here. So you're going to be just as guilty if you don't put her in handcuffs right now.
Okay, this is the city of Aurora, so we'll call it. We've got the city of Aurora.
Well, you're here now, officer.
Okay, I work for RTD Transit Police.
You're still police. You're law enforcement. Well, mark my words. She is going to get somebody killed.
Stop that. I didn't see you do any of that.
You saw me over there on the phone with my boss.
See, that's the problem. You didn't provide oversight. You didn't tell her to.
Because I was over
You didn't
there
tell her to. You
talking
didn't tell
down.
her to stand down.
Okay.
You didn't
All
tell
right,
her to
but-
not.
Yeah, get
This
out of here.
incident shows how a baseless demand for questioning can turn into pressure and escalation in a matter of seconds. Multiple officers arrived, voices were raised, and vague justifications were thrown around, exposing a real gap in understanding about public photography and the right to decline unnecessary questioning. In the end, it was the citizens' calm approach, asking for the legal basis, recording everything, and demanding accountability that kept the upper hand. If you found this video helpful, drop a 5 in the comments.
Let's just get this on the record. I have to be suspected of committing a crime, about to commit a crime, or had committed a crime. I didn't do any of those. I did what I could to dispel your suspicion. I told you exactly what's going on. I showed you the apps on my phone. I show you the plane here that's an emergency aircraft diverting to Dublin. I told you exactly what's going on, and in fact, here's the security code. 135 or 134 is what the security officer told me the code was to the bathroom, and you can go over there and verify that. To identify me for suspicion, you have to have a reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime
so your
had been
vehicle
committed.
matches the description of campers that
What's
get
the
stolen from
description
here.
of the vehicle?
We have a white Dodge truck.
There's a lot of white Dodge trucks.
That's very accurate. So you're here. We're getting a call from security who manages ZMAX.
Okay.
Your truck matches the description of the truck that is used to steal campers. Your truck comes back to a business.
Does this
Matthew Spaccarelli was stopped because his car matched the description from a vague call. Even after he clearly explained the situation and showed no signs of wrongdoing, the sergeant still demanded his ID and even threatened jail time for not cooperating, pushing the encounter into needless escalation.
Does this description of the truck that steals campers, did they get a license plate?
No.
Did they get anything other than a
No.
white Dodge truck?
No.
That's not reasonable, articulable suspicion
at
that
this point,
this is the truck.
Exactly. That's why I have to identify you, because if you
Identifying me is not going to help you find out whether or not I've
no, but if the
committed
camper
any
goes
crime or
stolen
anything.
tonight, then I know I can eliminate you because I came and talked to you.
You can eliminate me. What if I came back to steal a camper?
Well, then I already have your information.
But you see what I'm saying?
You just have
It doesn't
to
make
give your-
sense.
It does.
I don't have to give you my license if it's not a stop and I state and I didn't commit a crime.
So
Can we
you
have a
are in an
supervisor,
area.
please?
I am a sergeant.
It doesn't make any sense, Sergeant.
That's fine. You are here
Okay,
in an
what
area.
if I decline to give you my ID?
Then
Am I free to go?
No.
I'm not free to go.
No.
You said it wasn't a traffic stop.
No.
It's
It's
not
a
a
call for
traffic stop,
service.
but a call for service
Yes.
isn't enough.
Yes, it is.
It's not
in the
enough.
state of North Carolina, yes,
It's
it is.
not enough, Sergeant.
All right, well, hold on. I'll get a lieutenant out here, and we'll either determine if you're going to jail or not because you're failing.
Why
to give
would
me
wait?
your
Wait,
ID.
hold on. Why would I go to jail for a conversation?
Because you're not giving me your
Okay,
identification.
Sergeant, Miss Collins, let me tell you the problem with policing. You guys are so quick to throw people in jail. I didn't do anything wrong. I just told you what I was doing.
Your driver's license
Because
so
I
can sit
believe-
there
did
and
you-
put your information in the
Here's
call,
why.
and we're done.
Here's why. You swore an oath to defend the Constitution. You don't have reasonable articulable
I do
suspicion.
at this point.
You
You're
don't.
in an area, you
Here's
match
what
the
I'll do.
description of the
I'm
call.
going to give you my license and I'm going to file a complaint.
That's fine.
We're going to make this a YouTube video.
That's fine.
We're going to make it go famous.
That's fine.
And Miss Collins, I apologize because there's a lot of people out there doing a good job. But I don't think that you're doing the right thing.
That's fine. And I will explain the complaint process and everything to you. So that way
And can you give me a complaint form?
I cannot. It's at our police department. I'll give you the address.
We're
for
going to
police
do the
department.
complaint.
Okay, that's fine.
We're going to do the complaint.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, wait, hey, can I see this for a second?
In a second. 350 Concord 27 out of California.
What I should have done, ma'am, is put it on the dashboard and made you take it.
It's going out of California. Adam 5098224. Adam 5098224 out of California.
Can I go get a complaint form now?
Yes, sir.
They're open.
Yes.
They will give me one?
Yes, so if you go to the...
And listen, it's not about you.
That's fine. I get it.
It's about the Constitution, and I believe,
I understand.
and I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I will stand corrected, but we're going to go through the process and
That's fine.
figure it out.
That's completely fine. So,
You know what I mean? Like,
I
it's
got
just,
you.
it's just asinine.
do you want me to write it down, the address for you? Or you going to put
Sure.
it in your GPS?
No, you can write it down and I'll put it in the GPS. Oh, I mean, I could put it in the GPS now.
That's
well,
fine. I'm just, whatever's easiest for you.
yeah. It's just, my ID does nothing for you. It doesn't. It's like,
It does. It
don't take
identifies
offense
you.
to this. ID is like crack for cops. It just is. I mean, I watched the YouTube videos. I'm sure you must as well. It's crazy. It's crazy how policing these days want to lock everybody up. What's the address?
It's 41 Cabarrus Avenue, CABBARRUS, West.
Concord 4350.
West.
Good.
This is it? Concord, Cabarrus
Yes, sir.
Avenue West?
27 on Matthew, Sacramento, California, showing valid 10-10-2975.
Head northeast
What's
toward
10-10-75?
Boulevard, then turn
I'm sorry, sir?
right onto
What is 10-10-75?
You're not wanted.
Oh, I thought it was like my birthday. I'm like, that's not my birthday.
No, you're not wanted. So you'll go up to the police department. The doors are locked, but there's going to be a panel on the
Like
right-hand
push button or
side.
something like
Push
that?
that button. They're going to ask what you need.
So this is it though, right? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but it's way over here?
Yes, sir. It's on our...
Oh, yeah, it's Concord Police. I
Yes, sir.
thought it was my sheriff's
Yeah.
department.
No. You're the police department. Push the button on the side. She's going to ask what you need. Tell her that you need a complaint form. There is going to be a form that she's supposed to give you. You'll fill it out. They're going to call for a supervisor. It's not going to be me because obviously you're filing the complaint on me, so I'm not going to show up and take my own complaint.
I
Makes it fair. Another supervisor will show up. They're supposed to talk to you about the complaint. You fill out the complaint form. You give it them. It then goes into our...
And they could
IA.
do all this tonight?
Sir?
They could do all this tonight?
It will. The form will go in, yes.
But I mean,
and then
somebody will come and talk to me tonight?
They should,
Oh,
sir.
okay.
As long as we're not hot on a call or anything like that,
Sure.
they should be able to
I got
come up and
it.
take the complaint form from you.
I got time.
Other than that,
And again, man,
I get
you
it.
understand where I'm coming
I
from.
get it.
It's just like what's happening now that I just pulled over to watch a thing, you know?
I get it.
Being safe. Being
I
safe.
understand.
And just
but
because
at the same time,
there's
you're in an area that your vehicle
I'm not-
matches the description. I
I'm
know
not-
you don't know.
like, this is not
I
a
know
bad
you don't
area,
know.
right?
I get that. I know you don't know.
I
But
don't know, but it's not like, come on.
we get a call from the people who do the security here. Your car, your truck matches the description. So I have to obviously get out, talk with you, identify you, make sure I know who you are.
I mean, what you could have done, because I wasn't even paying attention, is park back there, ways back, not turn on your lights, and watch to see what I was going to do or do.
I honestly don't have the time to do that.
Yeah, well, I mean, getting an ID does nothing. Like, here's my schedule, just so you know. Austin, New Orleans, Charlotte, Dover, New York, New Hampshire, Detroit, Denver, Salt Lake City.
What are you doing for the Speedway?
Nobody told you?
No.
You didn't get the email?
No.
That's not even your business, then, is it?
I'm the low
just
man on
kidding.
the totem pole. I don't
You
get
could
to
take
know
a joke,
nothing.
though,
Oh, yeah.
right? Okay.
I don't
Did you
bother.
get the joke, though?
I did get it.
My friend always tells me that. It's like,
Well-
and I say that to my wife, it drives her crazy.
Oh,
I do mobile marketing promotions, and we're doing a promotion for a company.
Okay.
So we have these events that are, you know, the Dover, or sorry, this is Charlotte, 12th to the 14th. We set it up today. They do the event tomorrow. They
you
do
get
it
to go
half
on
of
to
the
the
day, the
next.
14th. And tomorrow, the reason why I'm here is I'm just trying to scope out the area because I need to go. See, my check engine light is on right here.
Yeah, that's not good.
And
At least it's not flashing.
And you see this truck here that has 6,814 miles on it?
That's really not good.
This truck was bought to replace one that broke down that's in Beaumont, Texas. That was a 2022. The transmission blew up. We bought this one, and now I have a constant regen. I'm taking photos of
I was
the
going to
thing.
say, welcome to Dodge's engine problems.
Yeah.
They're not new.
Yeah, I know.
So,
We're suing for the other one. It's a buyback.
is it a
thing.
lemon? Or
Yes,
is
it
you going
qualified
under
as a lemon, but they didn't want to come up $1,300 cover the costs that we incurred, so we had to hire an attorney. The attorney is working that out now out of Wisconsin, because that's where it was bought. This one was bought in Pennsylvania because we were in a rental truck and we had to swap to get out of the rental. So I had to fly into Pennsylvania, picked up the rental car, drove to Beaumont, Texas, dropped it off, returned the rental, flew home, and then my boss had this truck, and then his promo's over, and I had to do a promo, so we swap trucks all the time.
And now you just get the short end of the stick with the one that's got the check engine light on.
You have no idea. You have no idea.
There is a Dodge dealership right up around the corner.
No, Hendrix. I was already mapping it out and scoping it out. But like I take copious notes when I call FCA. These are my notes.
That's good, because if it's not written down, it didn't happen.
Right. And so like 9/12 was today, yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
That was the latest call that I had. And, it's a nightmare.
Well, be safe.
It's already been in the shop for 6 days, and they said, "Oh, there's no problem with it." I'm like,
my best suggestion, if you are staying,
just release and reapply brake tissue. Oh, I had my foot on the brake too long.
If
It's
you
just
are,
habit. I have my foot on the brake
so
all the
you can't
time,
go nowhere.
even if it's in park, just because
Things move, even if they are in park.
So.
If you are staying over here on the campgrounds,
No, I think I'm going to go back to the Speedway.
okay. I was gonna. If you are, I would move wherever it is, so you're not on the side of the shoulder.
You know what's funny? I saw a truck driving around over there. It was a white pickup truck. I don't know if that's a security truck.
One of them is.
But then I'm parked right where the bathrooms are. And I had my parking lights on, and the truck is running, and I'm in a parking lot looking at my phone, and the guy drove right by me and took off right down this road leaving. And then I stayed there like another 3 to 5 minutes, and then just drove away at a normal rate of speed. Like, I'm not in a hurry. And then pulled right out and pulled right over here. So, and here's the thing too. Using your, how long have you been a police officer for?
6 going on 7 years.
6 going on 7 years. And again, this is just how I talk. Why the would I leave a place if I was scoping someplace out and then park right here in front of the place? I know criminals are stupid,
I was gonna say,
but they're not that f***ing stupid.
Actually, unfortunately, I have seen them do dumber things.
But
I don't know you.
But I gave you a good explanation.
Yes,
and I was
I've also
honest
had people
with
who
you.
give me good explanations that are criminals.
And if I wasn't driving a company truck, I would not have given you my ID. And for you to threaten to take me to jail just because you didn't like what I said, that's why I'm going to go do the complaint. That's f***ed up. Sorry about the language. It's just the way it all.
I've heard worse and been called worse
But
at
I'm
this
not,
point in my life.
I'm not directing
I
it
know.
at you.
I get it.
I'm directing it
Simple.
in general.
I got you.
A generic suspicion, like a white Dodge, isn't enough to justify a lawful stop. Matthew exercised his rights correctly in a state without stop and ID laws, refused to hand over ID, and called for a supervisor to create a neutral witness. Only after presenting the ID and filing a formal complaint did the power dynamic flip, forcing the sergeant to follow the Fourth and Fifth Amendments. It's a sharp example of how to use your legal rights smartly and effectively in real situations.
Good, how are you? What's going on?
I'm sorry, I don't answer questions. I just stopped at the store to get a drink and I'm on my way. Excuse me for what? What's a
Right here, yelling, creating a disturbance.
Creating a disturbance? What disturbance? Matter of fact, you guys came up to me.
Give me your ID.
Your body camera on?
Yep.
You came up to me. You came up to me.
Do you have an ID on you?
This video comes from the Dennis Police Department in Texas, where officers rushed in claiming this man was involved in an incident and immediately demanded his ID. He refused, and things escalated fast. They tried to force his identity, pull him toward the patrol car, and continue the investigation, all without presenting any clear evidence.
You came up to me.
Do you have an ID on you?
You came up to me. I don't answer questions. Unless you're taking me to jail for a crime, then I don't answer questions because I did nothing to you guys.
Give me.
You can see, you can go ask the camera, the store, and everything. I got chips and drink in my hand, sir.
Okay, set him down. I'll put you in the rest.
All right, I'm trying to set him down. You threw my drink on the floor. What is going on with you guys? For what?
To determine who you are.
I don't have to tell you who I am. I don't condone the searches or anything. I don't consent to any searches or anything.
That's fine.
That's fine by me.
Give
Get
us your
these
ID.
cuffs off me.
Nope, we're going to determine who you are.
I'm sorry.
You're out here screaming in the middle of the street. Yelling at
Did you see me screaming in the middle of the street?
Lose
No.
your attitude.
Did you see me? Did you see me screaming in the middle of the street?
I need to know about.
I said I don't consent. No searches
For
or
our
anything.
safety, we're patting you down. We're not
I
searching.
understand pat down laws. If I do, I understand the laws very well.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You understand you have to, you're failing to provide identification.
Unless I'm being charged with a crime.
No.
Yes.
You're being
Yes.
detained.
Yes. Well, take me to jail for it then. I'll gladly go back to trial. I don't care.
Fantastic.
So, are you guys arresting me now?
You're being detained.
Am I being detained for what crime? I'm being detained for what crime,
Your
ma'am?
Identification.
I'm not giving you my identification.
Lower your voice.
You know what? You're right on that. I apologize for that. What am I being detained for?
You're being detained. You're out there causing disturbance.
I'm
We're
not
trying
causing
to identify who you are.
I literally just saw you. I literally just saw you pull up.
Give us your name.
It was hot. I took a seat.
What's your last
Gave
name?
a little break. I literally just saw you pull up. You threw my drink. I'm not fighting you guys or anything. What's going on? What's going on? Wait. You don't have to call my lawyer or something. Because I'm not being charged with a crime. I like to be on my way.
Yep.
I like to be on my
I'd like to know
way.
who I'm talking to.
All right, I don't have to. Who am I talking to? Give me your ID. What's going on? But I'm not fighting you guys. Look, ma'am. You do not have to be forceful. I'm not being forceful with you guys.
In the car.
I'm not being. I don't understand what's going on, ma'am. You don't have to be forceful.
Get in the car.
I live here in Denison. I promise you, you don't have to be forceful. You don't have to do this, ma'am. What's going on? What's going on, ma'am? Ma'am, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'm asking you to please talk to me, please. What? This is kidnapping. What? You don't. What's going on? What's going on? No, this is kidnapping. I'm fearing for my life. I'm fearing for my life. Call your supervisor now.
Yep,
What's going on?
Relax. All you gotta do is give us your name, man.
What's going on?
If you'll stop yelling, I'll tell you.
You haven't told me in the street. I let you put handcuffs on me and everything. This is kidnapping.
No, it's not. You're being
Yes,
detained.
it is. You don't have to use this force. Failing to identify is not a crime unless I'm being suspicion of a crime.
Okay. Stop yelling. Calm down.
I'm calm. Look at you.
You want to talk to my supervisor?
Yes,
Where are you?
yes, sir. I do. Yes, sir. What's going on?
Refusing to give me his name. He's causing disturbance.
Literally,
Trying to identify who he is.
I'm sitting there. It's hot, eating chips and drink that they just threw on the floor. I see them pull up. I get up and start walking. Continue on my destination. On Washington Street, which is that way. You guys know this town. I'm from the town. I'm surprised he don't know me. Then they pull up on me, ask me for my name. I immediately said, "Hey, how you guys doing?" They said, "Hey, how you doing? Can we talk to you for a second?" I said, "No, I don't want to talk. I just want to be on my way." That's when they started getting handsy. I didn't fight with them. I didn't even fight with them to put on the handcuffs. They literally grabbed my hand.
So at this point,
that's what I'm saying. I don't understand what's going on.
So at this point, you're not free to leave because we're doing an investigation.
Well, am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Being detained?
Yes.
What's the crime? On what probable cause?
Assault.
Assault. I had assaulted no one.
Spit in someone's face.
No, I did not.
Okay. Kick your feet in there. We're gonna go back down here.
You know, this is kidnapping. Unless you're arresting me, I like to be on my way. Or you can call my lawyer, Mr. Marcus Oates.
Okay, you can call him later, but you're gonna get back in that car and we're gonna go down here and finish our investigation.
You can finish your investigation, but you will not kidnap me. You threw my Drake on the ground.
You get back in that car, or I make you get in that
car.
car.
Is that a threat?
That is a promise.
I'm a civilian. I'm a citizen here of Denison. I don't understand what you guys are doing. What is going on? What's going on? Please. I didn't do anything to no one. What's going on? I literally was just coming from the store. What's going on?
What's your name?
Going on? I'm not giving you my name. I haven't done anything.
Oh, okay. Still doing.
So let me make something very clear. Shut up. Shut up. Okay.
You don't have to be like that. I've been very clear to you guys.
What you just was doing, I'm gonna be like that. You need to shut up and listen to me.
You don't have to.
You're gonna sit in that car, or we're gonna put you in this. Do you want to be in this?
Look, if you guys will.
Yes or no?
Can y'all?
Yes or no?
How about we compromise?
Yes or no? Yes or no?
In the car with no handcuffs.
Yes or no?
Because y'all got an investigation.
Not gonna happen.
Y'all got an investigation.
You were being detained.
But like I said, I ain't fought with nobody.
You were being detained. Okay. End of discussion. We're gonna go back down here and complete this.
I haven't.
And you're gonna sit in that car. When we conclude that you have it, we'll cut you loose. It's that
simple. What do you
simple.
mean? I just told you that. I haven't fought. There's these things on my face. What do you mean? I haven't fought with nobody.
I'm done.
I haven't. Why aren't you guys listening to me?
You ain't listening to me.
I am. But I don't see them in the back of cop cars. I don't see them throwing to the ground, being threatened. Is it because I'm black? Is it honestly? Because I'm not doing anything. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm trying to tell you, you don't have to. You don't have to. I promise you, you don't have to. I'm just trying to keep my arms so I don't go face first, please. You don't have to. You don't have to. I promise you. You don't have to. I promise you, you don't have to. Just, I can't. Word! This is unconstitutional! Oh my head!
What I'm gonna do is I'll put this on your hands. Bonk your head.
I'm
Really
sorry,
spit in my face?
no, there's grass in my face, you don't see that? There's grass in my face!
Set him up, he's gotta go up.
Well, there's grass in my face, I'm trying to get it out of my face, please. Are you seriously gonna be like that? You throw my face in the dirt. And then you turn around when I try to get the grass out my face because I'm in handcuffs out my mouth.
Hey, I was trying to put a helmet on you. So
and you claim I spit on you? Are you serious?
You did spit on me.
Hey, the Smith. Y'all get his lower, we're gonna get his legs.
You get his upper?
Huh?
Why are y'all doing this to me?
What'd I say?
Lower.
Yeah.
Yes.
His
upper.
Get up under his arm.
That was bad. I've never seen y'all do that.
So my parents. So I have Tabitha Ruferande and Emmanuel Ruferande, which is my stepdad. My actual father is a person right house.
My sister's the one that's seen him spit in his face, not me.
Yeah.
And she's at work.
Yeah.
Tammy?
Yeah.
Are you where you can call her?
Yeah.
Where's she work at now?
Help me in the tree.
Yeah, I live in
I would like to see the sergeant real quick. Sergeant. Right now, you're under arrest. You threw my face in the dirt. I was trying to get the shirt and dress out my mouth. Sergeant. No. Give me are you asking me questions? I would like to see the sergeant real quick. Sergeant.
Affirmative. The subject is under arrest and we are now keeping
Are you serious?
You came to me as an officer of the law.
Of course, because I'm working.
I understand. As a civilian, I do not have to give the law my name. This is not a stop and identify state. Now,
no, but when we're investigating a crime, you were not free to leave, which is what you were trying to do.
No, I was not. I was standing there. If I wanted to leave, I guess, I would have made decisions upon that. But obviously,
yeah, you sure did. Which is why you're sitting where you are.
Obviously, I'm sitting where I am because I didn't leave. I talked to you. I talked to him and I talked to her. I said, I don't want to talk and have a nice day. When they asked me to stop, I didn't stop. Continue to tell them I didn't want to talk.
For the quarter of the merry-go-round.
Yeah. You keep saying the same stuff.
Yeah, because that's what happened. That is what happened.
Let's see just how far they pushed this. All of this happened simply because he wouldn't give his name. What's striking is that he was never charged for the original incident, yet the officers kept turning their body cameras off, clearly trying to hide something. They escalated the situation purely to get his personal information, even stacking on unrelated accusations. This shows how far some officers may go just to make you reveal your identity. This video is made to share information and encourage people to handle these encounters lawfully and safely, not to promote confrontation.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible. Hundreds of hours going into the research and production of this video. I am deeply grateful to the dedicated team who worked tirelessly behind the scenes.
Keep your hands off of him.
Hey,
No, direct order for what? For what?
She just hit me right
Yeah,
here.
right. I got it.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
100%. Give me your card.
Get out of my face.
No,
No.
you pushed me. What the f?
Get
You
the fuck
assaulted
out of
me,
here.
ma'am. Supervisor.
Now, yeah, I need your supervisor.